about starting out the mycelium block exchange program, and then the volunteer events out at Circle Acres, which is a converted brownfield site, right? We turned a 10-acre brownfield site, former landfill, into an educational center. And that was just about 8 years ago. But before that, I was traveling quite a bit and getting to know the basics of mycology, right? I come from a background in hydrogeology from UT Austin. I worked oil spill remediation in the massive, giant oil and gas industry that rules North America. And I was an emergency responder to oil spills. So I would get sent out to oil spills within 24 hours and apply my knowledge on hydrogeology and remediation, conventional remediation at the time, to come up with a strategy to deal with the oil spill, right, and the effect of that. So that's my background, and what I'm going to share with y'all today is some of the things that I've learned about my experience in the biotech industry, and also outside of that, right? I've done a lot of work, like Angel saying, with the biotech, more corporate roles, and I've also done work more on the community side, grassroots, citizen science efforts. And then most recently, I'll talk more about this a little bit later, but down in Mexico, really combining the two, right? Trying to come up with something that's cleaner, something that's more accessible. In the part of Mexico where I am, fungi are not very well known, liked, accepted. There's a lot of mysteries or a lot of mysticism around them.